How to log in your account on CapCut. Are you guys facing issues to log in into your account on CapCut application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open CapCut on your mobile device. Once you open the CapCut, now look at the right bottom of the screen where you can see a profile icon. Click on it. After you click on it, you can see the option for tap to sign in. Tap on it. You can see multiple options over here. Log into TikTok, sign in with Google. Just select the option that you have created your account with. Once you select it, you need to write down your email and password. As soon as you write down your password, you will get logged in into your account on CapCut. And that's it, guys. That's how you're going to log in your account on CapCut application. If you guys have any issues regarding CapCut, make sure to comment down below. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye-bye. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.